Another powerful tool that we can use in our Photoshop program to adjust our photos is called curves. If we look at our computer here, we can see that we have this picture up of this nice group of people here. And what we want to do is we want to adjust this picture because, as you can see, it's overexposed a little bit too much orange color here, so I just don't like it. So let's I'm going to go down here to Adjustment and Curves. And as you can see, we can manually adjust this by tapping on this bar here and bringing it up. There we go. You can see that we've lightened the picture considerably here. So let's go up here and see if I can bring just a little more mid-tones into it, like so. Not too much, because as you can see, it's going to get out of control. There we go. Just come on down with a little bit of light here. Let's bring this light up. And as you see, if you bring it too far, you'll see the adjustments get out of control. There we go. That's a little bit better, a little bit softer picture, and the color looks a little bit more adjusted. And of course, we can adjust down here the darkness and the lightness contrast. If we take it too much, as you can see, it just gets disgusting. And also, whenever you shorten this up, you're actually shortening the length of working area you have here. So, and of course, you can also, this is an RGB, so you can actually also go through and adjust just the red, the green, and the blue independently of one another. So let's go ahead and adjust let's adjust the red just a little bit. Let's see if we can take just a little bit out of there. There we go. Not so much to where they get green like they're seasick, and that's a little bit too much green. And of course, as you see, if you take it all the way down, you can see exactly where you're pulling it out or taking it up too much. They're on fire now. But that's fine. We'll just leave it like that, just in the center like that. So there you go. And as you can see, this is our original. And this is after we have adjusted. As you can see, we've lightened it up and given it just a little bit softer texture to it. So there's your other great adjustment tool, Curves. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.